Mr. Midnight, instrumental.
Hey, that backer. Hey, give me that baggy pussy. Hey, stop it like a yellow glue. Hey, stop it deep up a bed. Hey, it's a club for abortion. Hey, 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 hey. My bitch looking like a fucking dog, like a dog. My bitch looking like a fucking dog, like a dog. My bitch
Mr. Midnight, instrumental.
She's looking like a motherfucking dog. My bitch looking like a fucking dog. My bitch looking like a dog, like a dog. My bitch looking like a dog, like a dog. My bitch looking like a dog, a dog. That bitch looking like a dog, 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 dog. That bitch is looking like a dog, dog, dog. That bitch looking like a dog, dog, dog. That bitch looking like
Mr. Midnight, instrumentals.
That bitch looking like a dog, dog, dog. That bitch looking like a dog, dog, dog. That bitch looking like the baddest bitch, dog. Look at bitch looking like a fucking dog. That bitch has a fucking dog. That bitch looking like a fucking dog. She sweating on
Mr.
my
Midnight,
sweating all like
instrumentals.
this. She playing all like this. She smacking all with me. She do it all like this. She see when I get it right. When I feel it all into it. Nigga feel that opportunity. I see when I get it all right. I'm making it sound alright. You go up like this. You swing it up through like this. You make me sound alright. Now swing it up through like that. Now take that for my pleasure. That's always my personal. I always go like this. I so go equalish. I so spitch. They got so spurty. That bitch be popping tags. And then she go alerted. And that's how always this. I'm amazing moralist. That Afro Weezer Weezies.
Mr. Midnight, instrumental.
Business clear Weezies. Shit up for Leezies. I'm a Jeezy. And a BZ. DVD. I'm a garbage Beezy. That's how I go easy. That's how I go mighty. I go camera fly free. That's how I go mansion. That's how all mansion. That's how
Mr. Midnight, instrumental.
It's like a kindness. That's all about it. That's how I go spot it. You can reek it, look it, light it. Let's go to zigga. I don't know, break it. That's how all about, look at it. That's how Rishi, I like Logi. That's how Spongy.
Mr. Midnight, instrumental.
I like foodie. Jump out on my water like a family, that's a coolie. That's how it can listen up while I speak like a ruby. That's how it must say, get in me. I got on that bitch, I can't get shit.
Mr. Midnight, instrumentals.
You get loony. You get funny loony. You didn't never get no confession how I do it. That's how you feel when I swing up with my bitch. Swing up my bitch, dog. She said, look at my bitch, dog. She look at her, she just looking like a dog. Look at that. Hey, that bitch. They never be my bitch because your bitch is on my dog. My bitch be looking at my bitch because you know my bitch looks like a dog. How you feel me? You hear me? How you feel me? Hey. That's my baby right there. That's when I be fucking with the real way. I fuck with it. I just fuck with you the real way. That's all how you feel me. Which she feel like that. Ooh, you the one for me. You the one that's really for me. But you the realest one I ever seen. It was real. Ooh, you was the one that I really chose for. You the one for me. You the only one for me. How you see? Let's see. Look at me. Hey, baby.